How to log into Prime Video with another account. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can switch accounts or log in to your Prime Video with some other Amazon accounts. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now maybe you have your Prime Video application installed, you are logged into one of your accounts, and then you want to simply switch the accounts on your Prime Video app. To do that, first of all, just launch Prime Video. All you have to do is just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then again, you want to tap the gear icon from the top right again, which is basically the settings icon. Once you come to this page, if you scroll down to the bottom, here you'll find the option called My Account. Just tap on My Account. And right over here, you'll find the option called Sign Out. So the only way you can actually log into some other account is to first of all sign out of your current account and then only sign into some other accounts. So just tap the Sign Out button over here. You'll be successfully signed out of your Prime Video. Then after that, what you want to do is you can see it will just take me to the login page directly. Make sure to enter the new email address and the Amazon password that you might want to log into. Tap on the Sign In button and you'd have successfully signed in to your another Prime Video or your Amazon account. That is it for today's video on how you can log into Prime Video with some other accounts. The trick here is to simply sign out and then sign in back again. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.